Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and I love to cook and make DIY projects and all kinds of things. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy, simple technique for making spreadable peanut butter and jelly for sandwiches. So come on! Do you struggle with getting your peanut butter and jelly to spread evenly on the bread? Most people make their peanut butter and jelly sandwiches like this. Spread that peanut butter. I'm using sourdough bread, not that it matters. You can use whatever kind of bread you want. And they put their peanut butter on their bread. And then they take their jelly and either try to spread it on the other piece of bread or spread it on top of the peanut butter. Either way, it's like, do you see how that's wanting to roll around and it's hard to spread? Yeah, drives me crazy. So you end up using way more jelly than you really need to. Let me show you how I do a simple, easy, quick thing. Gonna put some peanut butter in my bowl. And then I'm gonna put jelly in my bowl. Then I'm just going to mix it up really good. Now I'm just gonna spread it on my sandwich, and it just goes on so smooth and simple, and you get the jelly and the peanut butter in every bite. Let's give it a taste test. That's amazing. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please consider hitting that thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And also, leave me comments. I would love to connect with you. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day. God bless.